Seeking knowledge about how to make money online? You need to watch this video. Making money online today is simpler than ever due to so many people doing business on the internet. At one time consumers were reluctant to shop online, but now it is much safer and people are warming up to the idea of giving credit card information online. If you would like to make money online and in search of good tips on how to do so, then continue watching below. Be sure to keep an eye out for information on scams online. There may be many ads for making money online, but you need to keep an eye out for those that are a waste of your time. Do some research online to see what others have to say about any company or website that you are interested in working for. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. As stated in the above video, more and more people are making money online today because consumers are less afraid of shopping on the internet. Now that you have great tips to follow, you can get a piece of the internet money making action. Keep these ideas in your head as you constantly seek new ways to make money online. Student loan.